Create a TiDB Cloud cluster. In this demonstration, you will see how to sign in to TiDB Cloud, select the cloud provider, configure a cluster, and submit the request. To sign into TiDB Cloud, open a browser and type tidbcloud.com. Sign in with your Google ID. From the Active Clusters page, click Create a Cluster. There are 3 primary steps in creating a cluster. Step 1. Provide a cluster name and root password. Step 2. Select the cloud provider and region. There are 2 options available, AWS and Google. For this demonstration, we'll be using AWS. Also, as part of Step 2, select a region. Contact support if the region you're looking for is not in the drop-down list. Step 3. Select cluster tier and nodes. The cluster tier will determine the throughput and performance of your cluster after the cluster is created. T3 is standard. You can also select H3, which includes hybrid transactional analytical processing. The number of nodes selected will impact total capacity and billing charges shown on the right of the screen. The last step is to set the number of nodes. You can set the number of TiDB and TiKV nodes respectively by clicking the plus sign to increase and the minus sign to decrease the number of nodes. Click Submit to create the cluster. There are 3 steps in the configuration process: initializing network infrastructure, provisioning nodes, and setting up TiDB cluster. The process will go from creating to normal status and takes approximately 5 to 15 minutes. This concludes the demonstration on how to create a TiDB cluster.